All right, welcome back, my viewers. Thank you for joining me again. A quick video. It seems Sha'Carri Richardson has lost her damn mind. That's the only way I can put it. This person needs help. Jesus. The latest thing now, she's like a gift that never stops giving, to be honest with you. The latest thing now, what she are going with? She's disrespecting Allyson Felix. Or I wouldn't even go as far to say disrespect, but kind of shade. And we know, Sha'Carri, we know say you're hurt. But you have to calm down now, bro. There will be more races. You'll have more opportunities to come last again. Redeem yourself. So apparently, Allyson Felix was on the Jimmy Kimmel show and she offered her some words of encouragement, support, telling her just telling the people to rally around her that she's not done. Because you remember her famous poster, "I'm not done." You might be. Let me just go to some tweets and show you what exactly is going on here. We all know she has her problem with Lil Nas X. She has her problem with Nicki Minaj. She just have a whole bunch of problems, and the whole thing that's in common, that's the problem, is Sha'Carri. All right. So basically, Allyson Felix now offers her words of encouragement, and she turns around and says, encouraging words on TV shows are just as real as well, nothing at all. So basically, I thank you, but no thank you. I don't need your support or your encouragement. No, Sha'Carri has 0 gold medals, 0 accomplishments other than winning the US trials and NCAA, which in the world of professional track and field means nothing. There are many NCAA champions from all over the world who don't go on to do anything in professional track, and that is a fact. Just like how you have many college basketball and football players that don't really go on to do anything or have great careers. So when you're talking about in the world of professional sports, Sha'Carri has accomplished absolutely nothing. All right. So how has Twitter responded to this? All right. Sha'Carri, you in danger, girl. Not too much on Allyson Felix. Wait until I find out what she said. Truly, I was rooting for her, but you ain't fun to talk about my baby Allyson Felix like that. Sha'Carri is very talented, and I wouldn't take that from her, but her attitude is ass. That tweet Sha'Carri liked was corny, but y'all always going to hate on her anyway, so why should she behave for all y'all? If it wasn't that, it was just going to be something else. So you see, she has her defenders. So this is what encourages kind of behavior, because you have assholes out there just like Sha'Carri, just calling it how I see it. You know what I mean? And then there's this tweet by some dude named Goldie that says, not y'all Jamaicans still talking when y'all gotta walk barefoot to your coconut stand every day for a living. To be honest with you, a barefoot coconut seller in Jamaica could probably beat Sha'Carri in a race. Don't huff yourself. You know what I mean? But I'll leave that to Jamaica Twitter. They'll deal with that. You know what I mean? So you see, God don't like ugly, you know. You know what I mean? And when you have a blessing, you should more concentrate on improving your craft and working on your talent than trying to tear down other people. Because you guys keep trying to tell us that, we're not supposed to say anything because we're tearing down a black woman. But this black woman don't give a shit about other black women. She's been doing it since before the Olympic trials. You understand? How many US athletes has she disrespected? Not to add on top of that, Jamaican athletes and Jamaica as a country. Sha'Carri and her supporters gonna need to fix up and look sharp or get the hell out of here. Because we're not going to have it. You understand me? All right, my people. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. All right?